Hello and welcome, hoping that it's a great day for all my children. Now, although we made a lot of Christmas decorations, we didn't still make a card, did we? So let's make a Christmas card, otherwise we haven't completely done Christmas decorations and craft. Right, now let's see how to make it. I will show you by using a shimmering sort of a paper, and I have pasted a piece of ribbon across it, going across it, right? Then you can also paste whatever you like, in whichever way you would like it. Now remember the poinsettia flower we made earlier? I have brought that also with me, and some snowflakes that we made. The Origami snowflakes, remember? In a previous video. So that also I will be pasting onto the card. So now I've taken half of a snowflake to make this creation. Now we'll paste it like this. Now be patient when you're applying glue, otherwise the pieces of the white snowflake might come out. Now cut off whatever pieces of the snowflake that you don't need anymore. Now I'm going to paste the poinsettia flower. Now remember, we also made a happy Santa, so we'll add him also. We are going to paste him in the middle or inside the card. You can write your wishes here like this. Maybe write Happy Christmas and add your wishes. See how nice our card is. Isn't it easy and isn't it nice? So stay with us for always for more and more creations like this, because you know that we make beautiful origami craft, right? So make a card like this and send us one also. I will see you soon with many creations like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our videos, right? So stay with us and we'll do more and more creations like this from origami. See you soon.